Okay guys, welcome back to Life of Me 3 Kids channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Matchbox Hot Wheels car I got from Dollar Tree. If you read my post, you probably know what car it is. It is Tesla Model Y. I picked this up in my local Dollar Tree. Let's see, Tesla Model Y. Did not unbox it. I bought it a while ago, somewhere last week. And I said I would save it for Sunday since it'll be easier. So you can pick these up if you have a Dollar Tree near you. You can just pick these up right there. Almost all the Dollar Trees in my area sell these. So we're gonna get straight to unboxing. Start on the box. I have to peel it like this. Then I could save the box. This is kind of I almost didn't get it because when I went to my Dollar Tree, this was the very last one left. Like the very last one, which is crazy. This video wouldn't have been here without if there was no more of these left. Okay, so we got this Hot Wheel fully unboxed. Look at it. Zero emission license plate. Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. Too close. Yeah, I can see it now. See their name, everything. Kind of looks like the real Model Y. It's actually the brand new color they actually put on it. The red. Go to the Tesla website and you can see it. There's a new color. So, looks so nice. Under it, even tells you. So I made a mistake. I think I said Hot Wheels Matchbox. Matchbox. Big box. There's Matchbox. Okay, see. Overall, it looks nice. Like it. Got the little Tesla logo there. Welcome to the team, Tesla Model Y. Welcome to the team, Tesla. This is all the other cars. If you haven't seen my other videos unboxing them, with Lamborghini Scion, Defender, Land Rover Defender, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Mazda, Dodge, Land Rover again, Toyota, and Chicken Hot Wheels, Nissan, McLaren, PM, Jeep, Nissan, forgot the name of this one, McLaren, Elva. I got this actually from Blue Yoshi. Got that in Dave & Buster's, not Dollar Tree. Mazda and Mustang. And of course, Tesla. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to all. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a big giveaway. Super big giveaway in real driving school. So go subscribe now. For all those who are not subscribed, go subscribe now if you want to be part of that RDS giveaway. We're giving away an F1 and many other cars. So if you want to be part, subscribe. Bye.